All right, the next topic is knowledge check. So here we just want to test our knowledge with load balancer and autoscaling. So I have some questions or some statements on the left hand, and we are to fill it on the right hand under the appropriate service. The first question or the first sentence says, to ensure that traffic are distributed among servers, which of these two services is responsible for that?
Load balancer.
Load balancer.
Load balancer. Add a second EC2 instance doing an online spike.
Autoscaling.
Autoscaling.
Adjust EC2 instance to match predicted traffic flow.
Autoscaling.
Autoscaling.
Provide a single point of contact for incoming traffic. What?
Load balancer.
Load balancer.
Remove instance when not in use.
Autoscaling.
Autoscaling.
Distribute workloads across available services.
Load balancer.
Load balancer.
Load balancer. All right, it's easy. So these are the relationship between the two of them. All right,